Today's video is sponsored by Yada. Happy Thanksgiving to a lot of you guys. I want to let you know Yada's gonna be giving away 100,000 tickets. If you guys remember a while back, I talked about Yada. We'll get into that later in the video, but I wanted to just show my newest pickup, man. I feel like I do a lot of like sneaker reviews and all that good stuff, but I don't really get to show like personal. Every shoe that I cop and review, I don't necessarily keep, you know what I'm saying? Like I'll buy it and typically just get rid of it just because there's just so many shoes out there. I like them, I like to review them, but I'm just not gonna wear them all, you know what I'm saying? So it's like constantly reinvesting back into the videos for new releases. And this is a shoe that I've been wanting for literally the longest time, but the price point was just extremely high. And this is where I'm saying like patience saves pockets. Now usually with Jordan 1s, they just constantly go up, but for some strange reason, this specific pair, you see the red box, you see what it is, for some reason dropped tremendously in price. Retail was 200 on these. They dropped back in like February. Luckily for me, I ended up getting them on sneaker Twitter, bro. Sneaker Twitter is still a thing, still going strong. And yeah, let's just get right into it, man. It's like, look at this packaging right off rip. You got this really cool paper, tons and tons of paper. It's the neutral gray OGs. I ended up getting these from a pretty well-known photographer. I'm assuming he had to have paid more than he sold these for, because I swear on StockX they were going for 500 early on for a very long time, but maybe not. I mean, I saw he ended up trying to buy some new shoes. He was just getting rid of some good stuff, so I got some cool pickups from him. I got another pair of shoes that I want to show you guys, but wow, man, I wish all Jordans came with, like, you know, I love the box, I love the way the paper looks, and just the presentation, man. I feel like presentation is key. Jordan Brand kind of slacks a lot of the time, and I get it. They're releasing so many shoes. You can't have premium accessories for everything. It would have been cool for them to even add, like, you know, the old school silver like Jumpman that they added like on the Tokyo or the Japan. I can't even remember the name. I got both of them, but you know, it was that really cool metal tag that it came with. And I like that. I like the fact that you have this really cool little pamphlet. So, you know, when you open it up, which I'll give you guys a close-up of this, but it says the Air Jordan was inspired by the high-flying acrobats of Michael Jordan, pro basketball's hottest new star. It just gives you that whole breakdown of what Air Sole is, and also the details of like the padded collar, the ankle stabilization straps. And I mean, in reality, we all know Jordan said it first, like, these are terrible to play basketball in. I mean, his feet were bleeding every single game, trash. But when it comes to lifestyle, I mean, these are A1. I've been wanting just a clean pair of just OG ones, especially in the white colorway. From what I've heard, and even some of the homies that have pairs of these, they just seem like they run a little bit snug, because it's not your typical kind of like soft buttery leather. It's more like the OG, exactly like the OG. It's that very hard kind of tough leather, which in my opinion similar to something like the patent ones that release. You know, they're always a little bit more snug just because there's not really much give in specifically this leather or like a patent leather. Now, while we're on the subject of it, you know, it being the holiday season, I wanted to bring this up because I haven't done kind of like a deals video in a very long time, and I wanted to kind of put you guys on what I've been doing. Clearly, we know end of the year sales are premium. You know, Black Friday is decent, Cyber Monday is really the go-to, and then January is when sales get really hot. Like, you guys know I like to buy my Stone Island. A lot of these sneaker boutiques and brands will have these big blowout sales, and it's the best time to buy. And that's kind of where our sponsor Yada comes in today. Like I told you guys, they're giving away 100,000 tickets, which is really dope. That's life-changing. If you don't know what Yada is, it's basically an application that allows you to save money. And before you get all like, I'm not trying to save no money, just listen to me. I think this concept is really interesting. I'm winning every single week. So when you put 25, that's all you got to do. You put $25 in your own savings account, you get a lottery ticket, and every single week, the lottery ticket is recurring. So whenever your numbers are drawn, you win prizes, which by prizes, I mean money. I mean, I've won $1, $3, 15 cents, but you know, like if you really think about it, that's pretty good. That's a nice return if you're constantly winning every week. You put a good amount of money in there and you keep winning off these lottery tickets, you're essentially earning interest. I mean, the breakdown's like 2%, I think, and the weekly prizes are insane. I mean, like just this week alone, you could potentially win $10 million, you can win a Tesla, you can win $10,000, and then it just slowly starts to trickle down. There's just so many different ways of winning, and hey man, if I win 15 cents today, I'm 15 cents richer than I was yesterday. You know what I'm saying? So I highly recommend you guys just enter that 100,000 ticket giveaway, because I did. These days I'm so like specific with saving money. And anyway, my whole point of bringing up Yata was just the fact that put that money into savings. So when these huge sales or steals come by, like these for $250 or any Stone Island on sale, Nike on sale, you can create a savings account dedicated to just sales, and you can wear all the designer you want for a discounted price. You don't gotta pay full price. So that's just a little hack, again, with the patient saves pockets. It seems one day something's $1,000, the next day it's $250. Things just fluctuate so much. So it's honestly not easy to be fresh if you're just patient. I keep on thinking to myself like, man, when I'm a multi-millionaire, am I just gonna go to the store and buy whatever I want, or am I gonna wait for the sales and go crazy? And I think I'm gonna wait for the sales, you know what I'm saying? I'm literally so geeked for these, y'all. I wanna put them on right now, but I was hooping past week, man, sprained my ankle so bad. It's like, it's black and blue on both sides. So I can't put these on necessarily yet, but I do wanna do a review and kind of an update for anybody that wants to cop these, because they are at such a great price point. And I truly think that it's one of those situations where it skyrocketed and then it's dropping and then it's gonna go crazy again, which doesn't matter to me because I'm gonna be wearing these anyway. But yeah, this is a fire Jordan. This is probably one of my top favorite Jordan colorways, just because it's just so simple. The other pair that I have my eye out for, and I'm really hoping that they decide to release soon, is the Storm Blue ones. Those are so expensive, and there's no way I'm paying $1,000 for those. It's just stupid. But hopefully in 2022, we can potentially see them again, because they did release a minute ago, and you know how Jordan Brand is, they be releasing stuff around the clock these days. Let me know what sneaker is your grail. Like, what is the one shoe that you want to cop before the year is over, or that you plan on getting in 2022? You know, we all have our grails, and grails don't even gotta be like crazy expensive. You know what I'm saying? Like, it can be at any price point. You could have a grail that's only $100. There's nothing wrong with that. This low-key just gets me like giddy, you know what I mean? Like, I feel like it's almost hard to get that feeling with a lot of shoes these days because there's so many, but there's just some that you get and you're just like, yes, yes. Also, I want to let you guys know, be sure to follow me on Instagram. Me and a few homies have teamed up and we're gonna be giving away a pair of Travis 1 lows. All you gotta do is follow us on Instagram. I think we're gonna go live with the giveaway on like the 30th. So just follow me on Instagram and stay tuned for that. I'm posting a lot of real content on there. And with all that being said, man, much love to you guys. I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving. Very thankful for every single one of you. Y'all take it easy. I'll catch you in the next one. Run it.